Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Desire.
Let's break it down.
This word carries emotion, and the correct way is desire. Start with di, then stretch into zi, and finish with a soft Together, desire. Now let's say it 3 times together. Ready? Desire. 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 If you spoke it clearly all 3 times, you just gave real voice to the power of desire.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Desire. 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 Desire.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.